The Saipan-class aircraft carriers were a class of two light carriers, Saipan CVL-48 and Wright CVL-49, built for the United States Navy during World War II, like the 9 Independence-class light carriers. They were based on cruiser hulls. However, they differed from the earlier light carriers in that they were built from the keel up as carriers, and were based on heavy rather than light cruiser hulls, completed to late for the war. They served as carriers until the mid-1950s, then were converted into a command shipwright and a major communications relay ship Saipan in the late 1950s, and served in those roles until 1970. They were both scrapped in 1980.